In my layout, I use metal and chipboard embellishments. So right now I'm going to show you how I made this polarized effect with a chipboard for my title. I covered the chipboard with white gesso. To be sure that the chipboard disappeared, I made 2 layers of gesso. No reason to waste the white gesso, so I put it back in the container. Now we will start to colorize this title. I'll start with a layer of Sandcastle coloration spray by Art Anthology. Once dry, I apply layers of Kona Velvet Medium, always by Art Anthology. It has a velvet finish, so it's not shiny, and it gives a good base to the polarized effect. Once dry, apply a coat of mermaid sorbet in the middle of the title to mimic the effect of sun on golden sunglasses, like the picture I got on my layout. And now a layer of Vegas gold sorbet to give the shiny gold sunlight, same as the sunglasses in the picture. For the rest, I just made some touch-up of Kona and Vegas gold just to get it right, like the other embellishment. Fun fact, the chipboard reacts very differently than the metal embellishment, and you will see that in the picture after this video, because the metal is more lighted. I don't know if it sounds right, and the chipboard and the paper flower are more dark. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and see you soon for another project. Bye-bye.